Hi everyone, we are back trying to reconnect with Ashnur again. The previous session had to be ended because I couldn't see her request at all. Hopefully, we'll be able to connect this time. Um, for those who are joining us right now, we are about to have actress Ashnur Kaur with us um, for a chat session about her work, her new show, her web debut. Trying to see if yes, I have. I'm trying to add her to the chat now. Let's see if we are successful this time. Yes, hi.
Hi, finally.
Finally. That was a very good tip to add you from the comment because again
Oh
I couldn't
yes.
see your request.
Correct. That's much more convenient. Every time I have to add someone, I do the same thing.
That's great. That's great. You know, there's no there's a reason why you are so popular in Instagram. Of course, you know all the hacks and tricks.
I have to.
You have to. Right. So very warm welcome to you, Ashnur, and thank you so much for joining us today. And looking super cute, by the way.
Thank you.
Thank you. So let's get straight into talking about your web debut, Pari Hu Main. A title I think suits you the best.
Thank you. Thank you. How sweet.
Tell us, the show was about to go on air, but there has been a delay.
Correct.
But let's talk about your role. What was the experience working on this show?
So it was an amazing experience. It was supposed to release on the 18th, but due to some technical reasons, we had to delay it. But that won't be much of a wait, guys. We'll release in a few days or a few weeks. You don't have to wait for a lot of a long period of time. But I had an amazing time shooting for Pari Human because, of course, it was my web debut and my first time in the web. So, it was kind of understanding how everything is going to be and how things will go, how we will shoot. We had an amazing cast, a loving crew, and we were like a limited number of people because of course, the COVID guidelines. So it was more like a family that we had. Hi guys, first of all, I'll just say hi, otherwise people will be like live and she didn't even say hi. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all staying safe and at home, following the COVID protocols. Yes.
Yes, there are a lot of highs coming in.
Hi.
Uh, we will take questions also, time and again, if there are any.
Yeah, sure.
Somebody called actor Aryan is saying you both ladies look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anyway, so tell me, what is the role like in Pari Hume? What are you playing?
So, this is basically an actress, not an actress actually. This is a girl from a small town, Banaras, who's very intelligent, and she also tops in her MBA entrance examinations. But how she kind of somewhat has a desire in her heart to go to Mumbai and become an actress. So first, how she convinces her parents, because staying in a small town that I want to become an actress is a taboo in itself. So how she first convinces them, comes to Mumbai, and kind of faces various obstacles, explores the world that we have here, and even comes across some mean peoples in her journey. But how eventually she stays true to her morals, and eventually kind of succeeds in achieving her goal. So it's also a transformation from a small town girl to this girl who finally gets very confident and cracks her audition. And it's a very beautiful journey. Somewhat, I could also relate to Pari as a Shnur because I also kind of, have this one line that I know I should cross. I have my limitations. I know what's right and what's wrong. So I'm definitely sure that all the people who love Patiala Babe will also love Pari Humayun because it's also pretty much similar to Minnie. She is independent, she is strong, she has a clear mindset, and she knows what she wants to achieve.
Right. Also, it's probably very similar to you in real life. I mean,
Yes.
at a very young age, you've been working so hard, appearing on such shows and doing such great work, living in the limelight. Uh, Tell me a little about your journey and how that is similar to the role that you're playing on screen.
It's very much similar, except for that fun fact that Pari, uh, Pari's entry into the industry was predetermined and she wanted to achieve that. Whereas in my case, it was all out of coincidence and things were
Okay.
never planned. So I would just say that destiny pulled me towards itself. But rest of the things that staying true to your morals, having a boundary, having a limitation that you would cross, being selective with your projects, and not putting anybody else's feelings on stake to achieve your goals is what is common.
Right, right. Tell me a little about the shoot experience with Delnaz and Jatin Lalwani, who were playing your parents.
It was an amazing experience. Initially, I was a bit apprehensive about how it's going to be and stuff, but my apprehensions proved to be totally wrong when I actually met them. We actually shot a few days before the Mumbai sequence, and then we were supposed to shoot the Banaras sequence at one bungalow. So I had a few scenes in the morning, and then I had scenes with Jiten sir and Del Nasdi. So Del Nasdi came to my vanity, and I stood up out of his like cat. Hello Del Nas ma'am, how are you? And she's like, no, beta, don't call me ma'am, call me Didi. And her we kind of gelled up. We talked a lot about our likes and dislikes. I told her I love chicken. And the next day, surprisingly, she got unke haath ka homemade chicken for me on set, and she's like, "You love it, right? Here's it for you." So that was an amazing experience. She's a sweetheart, and even Jiten sir actually, he was like this powerhouse of our unit. Always full of energy, making people laugh on set. So that was his department. So I got to learn a lot from him as well. How to be humble. How to kind of have this sense of unity in the crew in our team. So both of them were totally amazing co-actors to work with, and I got to learn from them a lot.
Was it scary shooting during this pandemic situation? There's always a risk.
Definitely, there was a lot of risk, but when I saw the kind of protocols that we were all following and the guidelines that we were all following, the entire team, I was a bit relaxed. Ki chalo, we are following the rules and regulations, and I need to be cautious about my health and safety as well. And then we just started shooting. And the thing is, when you kind of start shooting, is when you forget that aisa kuch hai bhi. Obviously, you are following your the guidelines and your precautions, but your mind kind of diverts itself to the work. So it was a really nice, chill, safe environment that we worked in.
Right, right. Also, you've starred in big TV shows like Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai and Patiala Babes, of course, and this is your digital debut. Was it different working for a different platform, or was the experience any different, or shooting is shooting?
No, it was different because with every different genre that you shoot for and every different sector that you shoot for, be it movies or your TV shows, your web shows and stuff, you have a different audience base for all of them, and you also have a different screen size. So digital is basically people watching on their phone, and it kind of has a different audience. So first of all, understanding the kind of base that we have, the kind of target audience, and then kind of making content or creating that one particular project, keeping them in mind, is what I learned being a part of these different sectors in our industry. And in fact, many people also ask me that being an established actress, why am I kind of debuting on a new platform? Many people ask that, and I would just want to say that yes, platforms do matter. You get like this ready-made audience that they have, and you get the people's attention immediately. But at times, you don't just work for numbers, or you don't work for getting that admiration. In fact, sometimes it's the concept that kind of attracts you. And that's what happened with me in Pari Hu Main, because the concept was so nice, so inspirational. And plus, I felt given my audience that is more of the youth, I feel this is going to be very inspirational to them, not just to the people who aspire to be actors, but who aspire to be anything, that you can pave the right path and still achieve your dreams. That's what Pari Hume conveys. So that's what I thought, that, let's just do this just for the sake of kind of the satisfaction that you get as an actor after doing a project. I did this keeping that in mind.
Great, great. We have one question here. I think one of your fan clubs, Hasnoor X Addiction, is asking video or song कब आएगा?
Video or song?
Yeah, I think they want another song.
Video and song jaldi aayega. I have another music album coming up very soon. So stay tuned for that. And in fact, परी हूँ मैं का भी एक song है. So वो भी जल्दी हम release करेंगे. Trailer will also be releasing in a few days. So just a little wait, guys, and we'll be giving you treats one after the other.
There is a compliment from somebody called Zia Khan who's saying आपका नाटक, I guess she means acting,
Yes.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, रिश्ता क्या कहलाता. Of
Thank
course.
you so much. Thank you.
Muskan is saying you are so cute.
Thank you, Muskan.
Somebody is saying Queen Vishu is saying आपकी आंखें जब भी देखती हूँ तो दूसरी दुनिया में पहुंच जाती हूँ. आप बहुत प्यारी हैं, आप बहुत क्यूट हैं.
Thank you, Vishu. Thank you so much.
So cute. Somebody is saying इतनी सुंदर हूँ क्या करूँ.
मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ मैं क्या करूँ.
So cute. So this love that you get on social media, Ashnur, I wanted to talk to you about that. ये कैसे कर लेते हो आप, with shooting, and I'm sure you are also, studying on the side,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
And
yes.
so active on social media, like posting, for somebody of your age who wants to be a social media influencer and is struggling with, say, school books and everything, and parents ki dance, how do you manage?
I guess parents की डांट तो नहीं पड़ती है because I balance both the things. I balance my education and my career simultaneously, which is very important, guys. Education को stake पे रख के कभी कुछ मत करना because no matter what career you choose, no matter which field you go in, education is always going to play a very important role in your life. So always keep your education first, or at least equivalent to what you want to achieve, and just I guess do what you love, create content and be happy with what you do. Don't always uh, run behind numbers, but run behind quality is one tip that I would want to give them.
Do you have like in terms of posts or reach any targets, or do you just post whenever you feel like?
No, I post what I feel like, and I guess my audience loves that. That's what my audience loves, I feel. Me being real on social media is what they look forward to and what they adore. So, yeah.
Right. Let me see if there are any more. Lot of compliments, lot of
Thank
highs,
you.
lot of hello. Um, so after Pari Hu Main, what else are you working on?
So after Pari Umar, there are a few music albums that I shot in the past that are going to release. And then I am looking forward to kind of having a relaxing birthday because initially before the board exams postponed, I had my birthday the very next day of my birthday. My first board exam the very next day of my birthday. But now that they have postponed, I'll kind of get to relax on my birthday and chill out. That's what I'm looking forward to. And anything else apart from this, I'll let you know. Let my boards get over, and then I'll get back in full action.
What are your plans for the birthday?
I'm going to chill, yeah, because given the lockdown situation, I obviously won't be able to celebrate it. But yeah, looking forward to celebrate it with my close ones, given the guidelines fall into place, and I'm always going to be very particular that I celebrated within the guidelines issued by the government. That's very important, guys. Safety, please take care. Corona का second wave हो रहा है. So stay home and take care of yourself, your loved ones. Take your precautions. Yeah, that's all.
Right, right. Uh, I guess there are just more compliments. Shriyanshi is saying I'm a die-hard fan.
Thank you, Shriyanshi.
Okay, there is an interesting question. Roop Kaur is asking, मुझे भी एक्ट्रेस बनना है, उसके लिए क्या करना होगा?
क्या करना होगा? एक तो आप पहले एक्टिंग स्किल्स अपनी पॉलिश कीजिए एंड बी श्योर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट आपको यही करना है. Then only take a step and kind of full-fledged start trying for acting. So first of all, polish your skills because skills आपको skills काफी matter करते हैं, talent काफी matter करता है. So just keep on polishing yourself, and one day you'll be there.
So you said you came into acting as a coincidence, but now it's been what, 10 years now or more than that?
13.
Whoa,
Yeah.
13.
Yes.
And you are all of 16 now,
Yeah,
right?
I'm turning 17 this May.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I mean, but you've already starred in TV shows, you're making a web debut, you've acted in a film in Manmarzia, you were so cute.
Thank
Your
you.
expression especially, it was a delight watching you on screen. So is
Thank you.
movies the next kind of dream to act more in film?
I would love to. Anything that has a nice concept and has a strong performance-oriented character, I would love to do that.
Great. Right. So anything you want to say to your fans before we wrap this up?
I would just want to say thank you so much for all the love and keep the love pouring in. I hope you love Pari Hu Main as much as you love my previous projects. And keep safe, stay indoors, take care of yourself, your family, your loved ones, and lots of love.
Thank you so much. Please stay happy and chirpy like this. It's lovely
Thank
to
you.
see you on screen and also to meet you here. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you.
time, Ashnoor. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.